there, my super students. Today is Tuesday, May the 11th of 2021. What do you think we're talking about in social studies today? We will identify decisions that families have to make with money. Have you made any decisions today? Did you decide what to wear? Did you decide what to eat? You'll be making some decisions with me today. How? We will read about scarcity to decide 2 goods to buy. Remember this blue word? Say it with me, please. Scarcity. We'll be reviewing more about scarcity today in our read aloud. Then you have a decision to make on 2 goods to buy. How many goods are you going to buy today? 2. Thanks for listening. Why are you picking 2 goods to buy today? We will understand different ways that people exchange goods and services. We've been talking about goods and services for a few weeks now. My girl here has a cart full of what? Of goods or of services? What do you remember? Ding, 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 ding. There are goods. Now look in that cart. Are there 2 goods that you would buy at the store? I see pizza. What else would you buy? I would buy that too. Let's get on to our read aloud on scarcity so you can show me the 2 goods you'll buy today. Come on, let's go. Eyes on your screen. This is your social studies workbook. Ears on. I'm going to read it for you. After we're done reading, you'll have some questions to answer for me. Here's one up top here, and here's one more down here. I have them waiting for you in your slides. But first, we have to read and learn. And before we read, let's look at these 2 vocabulary words. The first one is choice. Say that with me, please. Choice. A choice is making a decision. Do you choose potatoes or tomatoes? We're making choices today. Our next word is scarce. Say that one more time, please. Scarce. If something is scarce, is it easy to find or hard to find? Easy or hard? Hard. Yeah, good memory. Scarce means we don't have enough or it's hard for us to find. We'll use those words more today when you make choices on things that are scarce. Let's get ready to read 2 paragraphs, 2 questions. Here we go. Sometimes we want more than we can have. Then we have to make a choice. We make a choice when we pick between 2 or more things. We pick one thing and we leave the other thing or things. Like back here, I've got so many pens. When I go to write, I have to make a choice. There's lots to choose from. I can't take them all. I have to make one choice and pick one to use and leave the others. That's my choice. Look here at your options. Which would you choose? Tell me your color you would choose. That's a good color. You have to make a choice today on some foods. It says, look at these pictures. Which food do you think would be a good choice for dinner? Think about dinner. Is that what you eat first thing when you wake up in the morning? Is dinner what we eat in the classroom at 12 o'clock noon? When's dinner time? 6, 7 o'clock in the afternoon is dinner time. All right, now that we know dinner, what would you eat for dinner? Would you eat the tomatoes, the fish, or the cheese? You can't have them all. You have to choose just one. And you'll show me by circling your choice. Let me hear you. Would you choose tomatoes, fish, or cheese? Oh, I can't wait to see your choice in your Google slide. Let's move on to our next paragraph. On this side, it says, we choose what to buy. Here we go. Sometimes there is not enough of something. When there's not enough of something, it is scarce. Money can be scarce. Families want more than they can have. They may not have enough money to buy everything they want. Then they must make a choice. Look at the picture. This family will choose between buying 2 goods. Let me hear your choice, because money is scarce. We don't have enough money to buy everything we want, or I would have a real life llama right here. But money is scarce. We have to make choices. If this girl could only get one of these toys, what should she pick? What would you choose? Look at her bubbles. What are her options? Ooh, I see a teddy bear. And what else? A board game. Her mom says, I don't have money for both. Money's scarce. What would you choose? Let me hear you. Would you choose the teddy bear or the board game? Ooh, raise your hand for teddy bear. Raise your hand for board game. Ooh, lots of you like games. You can't have both. You just choose one and you leave the other one. We are good at making choices. You got to do it because you can't have everything. Here's one more choice up on the top of the page I want you to look at closely. The instructions say, which would you choose to eat? Mark an X on your choice. What are these foods that you see up here? I see some rice. Looks like Panda Express. I see some crunchy tacos. Dragons love tacos. And spaghetti and meatballs. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Those are all such yummy foods. But I can't have all 3. I have to pick one. One decision. And you're going to X. What would you choose? Let me hear your votes. Raise your hand if you would put an X on the chicken fried rice. Lots of us like rice. I do too. Okay, hands down. Raise your hand if you would get these crunchy Mexican tacos. Ooh, lots of taco dragons in here. And our final choice are the spaghetti and meatballs. Raise your hand if you would choose spaghetti and meatballs. Yeah, we like the Italian food too. You can't have them all. You'll X on one food that you choose. Man, decisions are hard, right? But you are good at making them. Let's go review 2 more words before you start buying your 2 goods. Here we go. Ooh, we are buying goods today. Say that B word, please. Buy. You gotta pay money to get the good today. You got the money? Money is scarce, so we can't buy it all. Next word. Ta-da! Scarcity. Say that, please. Scarcity. Beautiful. Just like I don't have enough money, money is scarce. What do you see in the picture? What is there not enough of? Oranges. When there's not enough resources for everyone, we say that they are scarce. And today, our money is scarce, boys and girls. So let's move on to video 2, and you will show me what 2 goods you're going to buy. I'll see you soon.